Hi there, it's Professor Monty, and let's learn how to convert from scientific notation into decimal notation. Okay, so the idea is we're going to move the decimal to the right if I have a positive exponent, or to the left if I have a negative exponent, the number of spaces needed to match the exponent. Insert zeros as needed. So you may be saying, why is that the case? Well, here, let's look at a quick example. If I have 5 times 10 to the 2, I know that's 5 times, well, 10 to the 2 is just 100, which is 500. But notice what that is. I took the 5, if the decimal's right here, I'm going to move it 2 places to the right. That's a positive 2. I go 1, 2. I input zeros as needed. The decimal's right there. I get the number 500. With a negative exponent, this would mean 8 over 10 to the 3rd, which is 8 over 1,000. And then think of what that is. That's, if I go 0. Well, this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 8 1,000ths, 0.008. Well, that's taking this 8 with the decimal right here, moving it 1, 2, 3 times. It ends up right there, 0.008, and then I just put a 0 on the outside to see that it's a decimal number. Okay. So that's the idea. So let's put this into action. So if I were to convert 6.2 times 10 to the 8, I know it's a positive exponent. That means it's going to be a big number. Well, I have my 6.2. I move it 8 places to the right because that's going to make it a big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's going to end up right there. And then I just put zeros in. However many I need to fill it up. So let's see, I get 6, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's put some commas in to make those. That's my answer. 620 million in this case. Okay, so that's the idea. Positive exponent, big number. Negative exponent, small number. So I'm going to make this a decimal number with zeros, so a negative exponent is going to move the decimals to the left. So right now I'm here, 1.432. I'm going to move to the left 7 places. So that moves it to the left, that moves it to the right. Remember, they gave me a big number. This is going to give me a small number. 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's going to be right there. I'm going to plug in zeros here. I'll put a 0 in front as well. So it's 0.00000001432. And that's my answer. Notice if you put the 0 in front, the negative 7, counting this 0, I'm going to have 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that'll always help you out because in scientific notation, there can only be one non-zero number to the left of the decimal. That's always going to work. So remember, negative exponent is going to be a small number. I'm going to move the decimal to the left to change it out of scientific notation into decimal notation. But a positive exponent is going to be a big number, so I'm going to move the decimal to the right to get it out of scientific notation into decimal notation. All right, practice that. I'll link the video where I go the opposite direction to the end of this just to give you some more practice and see how to go in both directions.